All right, Razorback, you finna get tested. Let's go. Follow. Come on. Come on. Nobody can balk right here, boys. Just hold up. Let them go for me. All right, come on. Damn bulldogs. Can't see, Jeff. Oh, shit,
one shot.
We gotta get where we can move. We gotta get where we can move. Hold up, Jeff. You can't move there. You can't move there. He's got us in a bad place. Come on, Church. You gotta go.
No.
Come on. Go, Jeffrey. Got him, Jeff. Hold it. Now lay to him.
I got him.
Let me get around here. Dang it.
Help me.
Somebody's got to do something.
I got the hog. What's the bulldog? He's ready to swim around. Where's he at?
Hold him up. Hold his head. Don't worry, leave the dog on it. Don't choke him, don't choke him. Help him with the hog, Marker.
Take him out.
Wake up, boy. Wake up. Hannah. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't worry about that son, bitch. Get him tied. He ain't dead. He's good. Roxy needs to be flipped over here, but watch your feet.
He's all right now.
Yeah, I ain't got to leave her.
Are you right there underneath there, baby?
Where y'all need me? Hey, get on!
Oh, get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Watch your legs.
Alright, give me that phone. I don't know if I got it good or not, but it's going to be
Watch your arm, Mark.
I'm trying to hold here, Joe. I ain't letting her off until we get these tied.
Get tied and we get something around his nose.
Y'all got another rope?
Yeah, I got one in my pocket. Alright, back leg.
That ain't very long.
I got one in my pocket, maybe.
Shut up. Enough.
Get on.
Get on. I ain't got this good, but it's on there.
You got anything different you doing? No, I need it. Oh, sorry, boy. What you need? Pull it tighter, boy. Where you?
Stay on. Keith, get right there on that knee. Now let me get there.
Jerry. Come here, Jeff. Throw me a lead rope and I'll tie her up real quick.